Hello everyone, this is Frank again, and today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Huggy Wuggy from Poppy Playtime. So get your favorite pencil and let's go. First, you're going to draw an arc on top, like this, and then you're gonna draw another arc just below it and the ends are gonna meet, like this. Now I mark the center, and since I have the center, I'm going to draw a line just to identify the pose. And if you enjoy our channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. You know your participation is always very important for us. So please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to activate the bell so you can get notifications for new videos. Here I'm drawing the body, which is gonna be very small. And I'm gonna build the rest of the body around the lines I've made. So the leg's gonna be bent, and it's gonna be thin on top, and then it's gonna start getting wider close to the bottom. So I do the same with the other leg. That's okay. So I'm gonna mark the position of the feet. So I would just like you to make the basic form without any details for now, and these are gonna be the shoulders, and from the shoulders I'm going to start drawing the arm. The arm's gonna be almost as long as the whole body, and we're gonna do the same as we did with the legs. It's gonna be thin on top, close to the shoulder, and then it's gonna start getting wider as it approaches the bottom, and the bottom is gonna be very close to the ankle. The other arm is just gonna be behind the body, so we're not gonna see much of it. Now for the face, I'm going to start marking where I'm gonna sketch the mouth. It's gonna start here. And I'm gonna make something like a letter W. So I make a curved line to connect the lower part of it. And then I'm gonna draw the inside of the lips like this. The eyes are just gonna be two circles. Then I'm gonna work on the mouth, and it's gonna have like very pointy teeth. It's just gonna be V shapes. And then for the lower ones, I'm going to write letters A to complement the ones on the top. So you can see basically we have Huggy Wuggy ready. So we have to do now is draw a couple of ovals and a few lines to indicate the ball on his neck. Now, as you probably know, Huggy Wuggy is a kind of a plush toy. So let's make it more hair-like, like this. So we just start sketching some lines to indicate it's fuzzy. So do the same with the rest of the body, but let's not exaggerate. So we put one here and there. Close to the hands. The bottom of the legs are gonna be like it's someone wearing trousers like this, as if someone were wearing Huggy Wuggy skin. So the feet are gonna have 3 toes each in total. So I'm going to erase the initial lines just to check how we are so far. So I'm quite satisfied with it. It's time to get the markers and reinforce the lines. Let's go. Now that we're done with everything that's black in this drawing, I'm going to get a colored pencil just to do the tie around his neck, which is a lighter color. And then for this one I'm going to use some brush pens, but you can use whatever you have at hand. If you want to use colored pencils, that's fine. If you want to use gouache paints, that's okay. Crayons, it's up to you. Okay, it's done and it terrifies the heck out of me. So I hope you guys have enjoyed and I hope you have learned how to do it. So now it's time for you to try and do it yourself. Thank you very much for watching the video up to this point. I hope to see you guys next time. Bye bye.